Good evening, I am Ashish Tiwari and you are watching United News. The headlines are: on a single day, 32 Indian flights received bomb threats, causing widespread concern. Authorities are investigating the threats. India has alerted Canada about a Khalistani terrorist who killed a Shaurya Chakra awardee and is now employed by Canada's border police. In the Maharashtra Assembly elections, the BJP has released its first list of 99 candidates, retaining 71 sitting MLAs. The parties aim to strengthen its position in the state. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has urged citizens to have more children to tackle the aging population issue in the south. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi criticized the central government, calling Delhi an underworld following a recent blast. The BJP responded, labeling her comment as a puppet show aimed at deflecting blame. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankhar called the trend of students going abroad for education a disease. Let's take a deeper look. In Delhi's Prashant Bihar area, a mysterious explosion near a CRPF school on Sunday morning caused significant damage to nearby shops, a car, and the school's boundary wall. But thankfully, no injuries were reported. The blast happened around 7:50 a.m., prompting a quick response from the emergency services, including fire agencies, bomb squad, and the forensic teams. The area has been sealed off, and the officials from various anti-terror units, including the NIA and the Special Cell of Delhi Police, are investigating the incident. Early reports suggest the blast may have involved a crude bomb, but authorities are still collecting evidence to determine the exact cause. While no direct link to terrorism has been confirmed yet, officials are exploring all possibilities. CCTV footage from the area is being reviewed and the samples from the scenes are being analyzed. To get more details, this blast follows a rise in bomb threats across the country, putting security forces on high alert. The investigation continues, with the authorities ensuring the public that they are working to uncover the truth behind this incident and ensure safety. Keep watching United News.